In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Square's customer service. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we want to do is open up a web browser and head on over to squareup.com. Now, once you're on the official website for Square, you want to click on where it says support. Should be located top right hand corner of the page. And now on this next page, we want to scroll down and then it will say still need help. You can click on contact us, so go ahead and click on contact us. Now give this a little while to load, and then from here, if we scroll down, you can see a phone number, customer support, so we can give that number a phone call and you can speak to their customer support team. Or if you'd rather email, you can click on email us. Estimated wait time is 24 to 48 hours. And there's some other options, so call us currently unavailable, because I think you need to call in between working hours. So depending where you are, you might not be able to get through until it's working hours. And you can also click on message us, but again, if you're not inside the working hours for Square Up, you won't be able to get through. And you can also check out Ask the Community if you got any questions in mind, or it might already been answered in Ask the Community.